Okay, Fit Squad. Quick little update here. I know the car's a little polleny, but yeah, this is what I'm doing right now. Putting these gloss pillars on. They're just like just vinyl. Um, this is how it looks stock, and this is how it look with the vinyl on it. So I have this side. This part, basically, this is the only one left that's stock. So I still got to do this one. Just want to kind of give you a before and after with that side. But I'm not a fan of these portions because the fitment on it. But overall, I mean, it's not bad. Let's see, have this side done. This one was worse, I think, than the other side right here. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. I got a smudge. There was some kind of adhesive there, so I got to clean that up. But overall, let me know what you think. I think it's a good addition. I should have went with the gloss black handles too, but I went with the carbon fiber ones. But yeah, just a little quick video.